All right, you guys, we are going to be going over lawnmower pulls to be hitting the lats. So the first thing you're gonna do is in your gym, you're gonna wanna locate the dumbbell rack. Maddie's gonna go ahead and you're gonna wanna start with the lowest weight possible. It can be 5 or 10 pounds. And you wanna work your way up to a target weight where you're hitting 20 repetitions. So she's gonna start with a 10-pound dumbbell and she's gonna properly show you how to anatomically set up to hit a lawnmower pull.
All right, so first what you're gonna do is you're gonna place your hand and the knee up for balance, okay?
So understand this is your opposing side that you're not gonna be contracting with. This is gonna be your stabilizing side. So her knee's stable on the bench, her hand is pressing off to stabilize her, and then from this point on the opposing side that will be contracting and doing the work, she has the right foot stabilizing herself, and then she's gonna go ahead and lower the weight down to near the ground. You don't want it touching the ground. And then she's gonna focus on that elbow coming to the rear. So go ahead and go into the contraction again. See the stretch? Pause, and then look how the elbow is coming back into the pocket. Her elbow is reaching the rear of the back. She's gonna lower the weight, pause at the bottom, then contract with the elbow in the back. Nice. Power to the back, lower, contract, lower, contract, and then I'm gonna have you go ahead and switch sides. So now she's gonna be stabilizing with the right side, right knee on the pad, right hand stabilizing her body, left foot on the ground, and she's gonna go ahead and lower the weight and then contract it to the rear. Pause, and then contract the elbow to the rear. Pause, you can see the lat stretching, and then nice contraction. Nice. Nice. And the main focus here is understanding the pathway of the elbow. We want the elbow, we want you guys to keep the arms as close to the lats as possible.
Not here,
Yeah.
not this.
Not this.
Not this.
Not this.
But close to the body.
So see how she keeps that elbow tucked and it's getting the elbow as far back into her back as possible. This is gonna put a lot of stress and contraction onto that lat itself. All right, you guys, and this is it on lawnmower pulls.